Isabel? What's this? What's this? Wow. Is that from Nana? Here, open it up. Here, open it. What's that? Wow. Look, gotta open it. Wow, what is this? Say hi, Nana. Let me help you open it. You gotta open it. Look at this. What's that? Whoa, you got two? What's that? No, it's not a cupcake. Say chocolate. No, it's chocolate. It's good. Can I have one?
No.
No. You're not gonna share? Say thank you, Nana. Was that good? Is it delicious? Say chocolate. Is that good? Can I have one? Ta-da! Are you gonna save them for later? No, say no. I'm gonna eat it now, Mama. Can I have some?
Daddy.
It's delicious. 2 thumbs up. What do you say? Let me have one. Let me have one. Let me have one. Give me it. Okay, I'm just kidding. Jeez. You got it? Isabel, say hi, Nana. Say thank you for my delicious chocolates. Let me blow a kiss. No? Isabel. Isabel. Mwah. You want to say bye-bye? No, you don't want to talk anymore? Okay, bye-bye. No. No. Bye-bye. Do you want to say hi, bye? You want to blow a kiss to Nana? Who's here? Who's here? Nana? Okay, bye-bye.